Yeah.
He hit again. I want to hit.
Here. Kai kavanam, okay? Leave it. Good job.
Why? I need to feed this.
They are very hungry.
Can I feed another carrot?
Yeah. Here. Let him finish. Yeah, let him finish. You want a sheep? Sheep kurungo.
Okay.
You want to give this one?
Yeah.
But you hold it here on this side, okay? Oh. Inge kurungo. Goat kurungo. He is very hungry. Give it. Wait. Let me get it. Jashini. No, we have to feed it for some other animals too.
No, it is. Let's give them all the letters first. No, not all of the letters.
Kai kurungo.
Let's give them to them. Let's just get this. He dropped one. Can I please feed the other? Give me.
Wait. Come, Jashwini, come. Avocado illa is a lettuce. Kai kurungo. It's too big for him.
Give them one more day. No, just half of it. That's enough.
Kaiye kududraanga. Kai kurungo. Jashwini, you want to feed?
Yeah, I want to. Can you do it too? I want to do it.
Oh, take this one. Here.
Wait.
Jalo.
Open it.
Kai kavanama.
Yeah.
Fun? You're having fun? You like it? Jashu, you want to feed him? Jashwini.
Only one with them.
Carrot only one.
Huh?
Ingi vango. Give it to him.
Oh my god, this was
Don't pull it. Just give one.
We have to test the layer. No.
Happy?
Yeah.
Wow, look at that.
Pure sheep. No. Do it to him from the hole. Show it to him and then
Take your hands out.
let me pat you.
Kaiyango. Kaiyadu. Lakshan, kaiye vidungo.
I want one more. Look, bro.
Lakshan, kaiyadungo.
Look, guys, look.
Asha, we're breaking the cucumber in 4.
Kaiyadungo, Lakshan.
Hey. Look, it's here.
Come.
Getting up. Okay, let's feed the cow.
Yeah.
That's only a bull.
நாங்கள் இன்னைக்கு ஃபார்முக்கு வந்தோம் நாங்கள் அனிமல் ஃபீட் பண்ணுறதுக்கு ஸோ
Horse story.
யா யூ வாண்ட் சிட் டவுன்
Yeah.
ஜாஷ்வினி லுக்
Hell, damn it.
Yeah, I'm here. Bring it. இங்கே பாருங்க அம்மாவே இருக்கா look at me. Laksi, look at me. Okay. Wait.
I want sheep.
Here, baby cat, baby. Kai, அது கூட கொடுக்க கூடாது. கை பிடிச்சிருங்க. கையில சாப்பிட்டுமா பூ.
Why are you not eating it?
Maybe he's eating. See? It's too big, so he don't like it. Okay, come.